Anyway, there's this saga. I mean, this story's been going on for a decade now. Senzo was shot. There are suspects, but we know those suspects. But the law, it looks like it's not doing anything about it. So now we know some. I mean, okay. I was not in that room. You were not in that room. We're just speculating. We're thinking, how come can this murder trial go for a decade? It's not. It reminds us of Biggie and Pac, but now it's a different story because this nigga was not even a gangster. He was just a goalkeeper. There's more to the story. As much as we can try to build and try to come from all the angles, it's still hard, but we can see it right in front of our eyes. So the question is, it's not of what are we gonna do about it? I mean, as the country, as the citizen, there's nothing we can do about it, but just hope that there's gonna be that one person who tried to look at this case and take it serious. I mean, it's not like they haven't been those people, but everybody that tries, they end up being something else. So some people are really that dangerous, isn't it? Imagine like all this connection you gotta have, man, from the private and the public. Damn, you must be the real deal. So on the paper, legally, like according to the law, I mean, our law, man, is kind of fucked up anyway. So it's gonna end up making people taking the law into their own hands. You know what I mean? So, but anyway, let me not be talking about such stories because you gotta be very sensitive when coming to these matters, because once you start yapping too much, hey man, they're gonna come for you. And who's they? We know who's they, but hey, just for the sake of a segment, we just gotta be frank. Sit here, relax, laugh out loud. It's January, baby. Huh? What are your plans? Well, I don't want to tell you my plans because you just gotta think about it. It's just a segment, isn't it? So I'm thinking about a lot of stuff, and I'm like,
Trejo Tebogo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung